Hello guys and welcome to Think So. So do you want to lose all your extra weight in just 3 days? Do you want to be thin and healthy overnight? If you do, you clicked the wrong video. Here we discuss 4 tips plus 1 super tip that will actually make you lose weight but in a healthy and realistic way. Let's dive into it. So the first tip is to educate yourself about nutrition. The human body needs calories to survive. Calories give us the energy we need to survive every day. If you struggle with obesity or you have some extra weight, your daily calories intake is probably too high. And I say probably because in some cases there are other factors that prevent you from losing weight, such as genetics, medications, etc. So basically, if you lower your calories intake, you will lose weight. But it's not only calories that are important, but also the substance from which the calories are taken. You should educate yourself about which foods are best for your well-being and which are dangerous for your health. You should also learn about fat, protein, and carbohydrates and find out what percentage of each you need on your diet. There are plenty of resources online, and I will make a special video dedicated to this exact topic. The second tip is to make a diet plan. First, decide how much weight you need to lose. You should have a clear goal in order to succeed. Depending on your current situation, you should put a daily limit of calories intake and stick to it. No matter what happens, you should track your calories intake and not exceed this limit. Talking to a nutritionist may help you. He will probably measure your exact percentage of fat as well as other important metrics, and he will be able to tell you what diet is best for you. Except for your diet, you should also plan your meals weekly. Create a shopping list with the exact portions and ingredients you need for the week. That will save you time and money in the long run. Also, by doing this, it is less likely to deviate from your diet because you will have a clear nutritional goal in each meal of the day. The next tip is exercise. The most healthy and effective way to burn off the excess calories is to simply exercise. There are so many options here. If you don't like going to the gym, you can start running, you can start martial arts, mountain bike, football or basketball, swimming or even regular hiking. But there are 2 key points here. The first is to find something that you enjoy doing, not only because it is good for your body, but because it is also fun. If you like what you do, chances are that you will continue doing it even when you are tired and exhausted. And the second is to not quit. So imagine that you've started your plan. You eat well and you exercise regularly, for example 3 to 4 days each week, let's say for 2 months. Results are showing up. You tend to believe that you got this. However, you start to loosen up. You skip more and more gym sessions and gradually you end up doing 1 to 2 sessions a month. Then you will see your body start gaining weight again, and this time quicker than before. Probably you will end up gaining more weight than when you started your diet. That is typical and is happening because you stop burning those extra calories and the calories balance has shifted. So make sure you stick to your gym schedule. And lastly, you should sleep more and sleep better. Most people have trouble sleeping the appropriate amount of hours. Many also sleep a lot, but they don't get a quality sleep. Sleep deprivation may increase levels of stress hormones such as cortisol in your body. This can lead to chronic stress, which can cause increased hunger, which results in weight gain. So what can you do about that? First, make a precise bedtime and stick to it every day. This helps your body's circadian rhythm, which is your body clock, and makes it prepare for sleep. Second, no alcohol or coffee at least 3 hours before bedtime. Many people enjoy a drink or 2 when they get back home after a long grind at work. However, drinking just before you go to bed worsens the quality of your sleep. And third, no PC or phone screen for at least 2 hours before bedtime. According to a study from Harvard University, long exposure to blue light can lead to diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. So sleep more and sleep better. Guys, before I talk about the bonus super tip, please consider subscribing to my channel. I upload new content every week for you guys, but let's continue to the final tip. So overall, none of these tips have any value without one special trait, and this is consistency. Let me ask you a question. If you had a heart attack and your doctor told you that you really need to take certain medication every day or else your condition could become even worse, would you take your meds? What I'm trying to say is that you need to address your weight situation with the same seriousness. Educate yourself, stick to your diet plan, exercise and sleep better like your life depends on it. That's when real results will kick in. So guys, that's it for today. If you found any value in this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. We upload new content every week, so make sure to not miss it. Until next time,